Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I am coming to you from inside of my beautiful tiny home on wheels, Tamara. So if you guys have been following along for the past few videos, you've seen that I've done quite a bit of decorating and stuff inside of my tiny space. And today's video will be the same. I have wallpaper and it's time to turn this little boring wall. Let me wrap around. Don't get dizzy. Don't get dizzy. Just keep your eyes on me. Keep your eyes on me. All right. So this wall right here, I want to add wallpaper to. It's going to be a lot easier than beside my bed because that wall was like angled and all that junk. So that took a lot longer than I expected it to. So I'm excited. We're going to do this wall today. And then I have some behind the scenes like office work that I need to get to in order to prep for my membership launching on my personal website. So you guys sit back and relax, and y'all know how I do. My world is ran off of music, so I'm gonna turn on some music and get to work over here. So let's get to it. Here's a look at the wall. And I will be lifting up this couch cushion because there's a little bit down there. And just in case sometime in the future I decide, you know, maybe I want to get rid of that couch cushion, I just want to make sure all of the wallpaper goes from the rooter to the tutor.
For the first time in years, got my feet crossed the border from a land of tears. Let's go find out. Feeling free, free to live my life, free to grow Didn't even care enough to be dismissive. I just kept keeping on in my stride. Oh, you've been waiting out there somewhere in the wind. Yes, it's true. It just goes to show it ain't over till the fat lady sings. Better late than never for us to come around. Better late than never for all that was lost once again be found. Yeah, baby, it's clear for all to see that 1 and 1 makes 3 perfectly. Better late than never for you and me. Now it all has changed for the better. Yes, it has, baby. Even in ways I never knew were there. Changed me, baby, in all new ways. Cliches were true to that letter. Yes, they were, baby. From nothing to something, suddenly you were there. Oh, better late than never for us to come around. Better late than never for all that was lost once again be found. Yeah, baby, it's clear for all to see that 1 and 1 makes 3 perfectly. Better late than never for you and me. Better late than never. Oh, wouldn't you agree? Better late than never. I guess it was simply meant to be. Better late than never for us to come around. Better late than never for all that was lost once again be found. Better late than never for us to come around. Better late than never. I guess it simply was meant to be. And it's clear for all to see 1 and 1 makes 3 perfectly. Better late than never for you and me. Baby, for you and me. Oh, for you and me. Baby, for you and me.
Hey friends. All right, I just got finished eating. My sister, she ordered some Mexican food, so I just had some tacos. But yeah, so now I got my cute little wall finish. That's done. I actually need to order some stickers and some magnets. I know I've said it in the beginning of the video, but soon, once I hit the road in spring, I will be rolling out memberships for my personal website, and like the first tier is gonna be $10 a month, and you will receive one of my magnets. So I have to do some back work in order to prepare for the launch of the memberships on my website. So that is what I'm about to do. My computer battery is about to die, so let me fix that. It's so nice having my little table, not having to work like in my bed. Oh, and thank you to everybody who commented on the last video about, you know, my swivel table installation and stuff. Like, I am in the future, like not anytime soon, but most definitely in the future, I will. A lot of you guys recommended just getting a paper plate or like a cup and just spraying some of that spray paint inside. Jada's down here playing with the ball, so if the camera moves, that's her. But yeah, y'all recommend, you know, just spraying some extra paint in a disposable situation and taking a small broom and just like small brush and doing touch-up work for it. And so that's what I'll do. I'll do that because that'll work. Okay, let's get into how I finance my lifestyle. If you're not aware, I'm 100% disabled Air Force veteran. I served 11 years, 2 months, and 24 days on active duty, but who is counting, right? During my time in the Air Force, I had 6 surgeries amongst other ailments that put me in this 100% status. With this status, I am financially compensated monthly, and I'm covered medically to include dental and vision. Prior to this setup with Sister, my monthly domino expenses were insurance and gas, and that's because I owned everything. So living under my means was an easy task with proper money management. And before you guys get started, proper money management did not come to me easy. If you have not watched my story on how Vanlife saved me, you should. It's pinned to my page. But I digress. Now that I have Sister, my monthly expenses have grown. I have 4 additional payments, 2 notes and 2 insurances, which is a little under $900. It's not bad, but it's not good. That's $900 I feel I need to recoup elsewhere. So this is where side hustles come into play. I turned Where is Brittany into a brand. On my personal website, I design t-shirts, hoodies, and activewear, as well as sell YouTube merch. And soon I will offer memberships with random perks to include monthly postcards or letters, which I am super excited about. I make additional income from social media like YouTube. When you all watch the ads, give thumbs up, comment, and share my videos, you're directly contributing to additional income for me. So thank you. Hashtag you're the real MVPs. As well as my views on Instagram and TikTok, and lastly, collaborations and partnerships with companies like Coleman, JCon e-bikes, and Temu, to name a few. And now, I am saving up to buy land for Domino. That's the dream, my friends, is to put Domino on a beautiful piece of land and pay for it cash. That is literally the goal. And I hope you all stick around and watch me see it through. Late in the evening, Jada is down there eating her food, but yeah, I wasn't able to go to the bakery or anything today. Marley was being a little fussy, so we stayed behind and just kind of hung out at the house to keep her like chill and stuff. So what did I want to say? Oh yeah, off airhead. That was the handle for the winner for the Temu giveaway. Off airhead, please check your notifications. I'll give you until like the next video. If I don't hear back from you, I'm just gonna grab somebody else and just go ahead and mail it off, because I don't want it to sit here. But yeah, the wall looks so nice. Like, it's so much brighter. It used to be so dark back there, and it just looks, I like it. Okay, yeah. Alrighty, my friends, this is where I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll see you guys. What is today? I don't know, but this video is for Sunday, so I'll see you all again on Wednesday. And now that the place has completely like come together for the most part, I think it's kind of time to talk about some of the things that I do not like about the trailer. And it really just had to do with how they built it. Like, yeah. So that's what the next video is going to be about. We're going to talk about all the things that I do not like about my new home. So thank you all so much for tuning in to find out where is Brittany. Off Airhead, check your notifications so I can mail this out, please, and thank you. Alrighty, my friends, I'll see you next time. Bye.